When you first come in, there's not a word you can use. You just go,
Who would think a kitchen in a library?
It doesn't seem like something a library would have, but I feel like it fits because a library is about learning new things.
The Free Library of Philadelphia's Culinary Literacy Center is revolutionizing the way Philadelphians think about food, health, and literacy. We encourage Philadelphians of all ages and abilities to connect through our hands-on cooking classes.
When I came in the US, the first thing that I worried about was my English. I liked a lot this class because I improved my English with cooking.
What they're doing is so important to other people, people like myself. It's incredibly important for a person like myself who is blind to have this kind of an outlet.
Since opening in 2014, we've seen over 30,000 people at the Culinary Literacy Center and in 32 neighborhood libraries.
it's like they want your participants not just to experience the class, but to experience and grow. And I feel like that's what I've done with these classes. I've gone from fast food several nights a week to fast food maybe a few times a month, because I know whatever is out there I can make better at home.
When I make something, I feel pretty proud of myself that I've achieved it. My sister will usually help me with it, and so I feel like we've kind of found a way to collaborate and work together to make something for other people and ourselves to enjoy.
It's not only cooking, it's friendship, it's learning about different culture.
Everybody makes tomato sauce, but everybody makes their tomato sauce differently. And those exchanges are where I believe the literacy really comes in.
At the end of the day, it's about the people who work here and the people who come here to join us at our table.
When I leave here, I feel educated, I feel strong, I feel confident, I feel empowered.